why did I kind of get away from, we still got the screen print shop, I still could screen print if I needed to or wanted to, but why did I get away from that? And that is because I started to value my time a lot more and how I spent it. Okay, so I still take screen print jobs, I outsource, or I let the printer there print them, and I just pay the printer for the labor, whatever the case is. But what I learned from even having a screen print shop and screen printing all the time, there were still jobs that we did not want to do. There were like multicolored jobs, like, let's take this to the guy who has the auto machine, and based on the quantity and stuff like that. Now, if we needed all of the money, we would definitely at that given time go ahead, or if I needed all the money, I should say, I would go ahead and screen print it and knock it out. But just the theoretic process of the time spent to do some things, it just didn't make sense when I could take it to somebody with an auto, and yes, I lose a little bit of the profit, but I don't spend the time doing it, and I keep the easy one-color jobs and all of that good stuff in-house, and I do those myself. So it just made a lot more sense to me.